Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to create this Pepsi logo using Creo parametric. So let's get started. So I think these are all the dimensions that we have in this diagrams. Okay, so everything is fine. So we can able to build this sketch by using this dimension. Okay, so let's get started. So before that, I just want to select a working directory where we have to save all these parts. So CAD models, yeah, I think this is fine. This is my working directory. So let's click on new and click the default template, and I'm just going to rename my part as yep, Pepsi underscore logo, enter. So then my unit as the MMNS portfolio ABS. Okay, good. So the next thing here is I'm just going to start my sketch over my front plane. So front sketch, and let's go for the sketch view. So here at first I'm going to draw the circle. They have mentioned the overall diameter as a value of 111. So let's go for the circle. I'm just going to draw the circle. Here the diameter will be 111. Okay. So this is our outer profile. So the next thing here is like either we can create this or else like we can create this bend. Okay. So first of all, let me just create this particular part because they have mentioned the dimension here for the height, and for the depth also they have mentioned the value here. So this will be 33. So I'm just going to place a point here, and this distance will be 33, and one more point at the top, and this dimension will be 17.9 plus 26.1. 17.9 plus 26.1. Okay, I think this will be 44. Yep, 44. So this is our end point, this is our start point. So directly we can draw an arc, but that should have a radius value of 114. Okay, arc from here till here, like this. So this will be 114. Okay, so we have completed this profile, right? So the next thing is like we have to create the start point and this end point, and they have mentioned some more values for this angles here. Okay, so yep, let's create this point first. So this will be 2.5 away from the start point. So this will be yeah, dimensions, or either like you can go for this 33 plus 2.5, 35.50. Okay, so next thing is this endpoint. So for this, like we don't have any value, right? So we have to create the circle, and we can able to find the intersecting point in this previous circle, right? So for the circle, for creating the circle, they have mentioned the center point here. So that will be 9.9 away from the center line as a vertical, and for the horizontal it should be 17.9, 9.9 and 17.9. Okay, placing a point, 9.9, and this will be 17.9. Okay, good. So the next thing, either you can draw an arc or else like you can directly go for the circle. Okay, so radius 37.8. But for here now I'm just going to draw a circle because we need to find out the exact intersecting point in this previous circle, right? So I'm just going on to draw with my circles. So just let's draw a circle like this, and this radius will be 37.8, but here we need as a diameter, right? So 37.8 into, so multiplied by 2, so 37.8. Okay, 37.8 multiplied by 2. Okay, so this is so circle here. So now we can able to delete the unwanted segments that we have. Okay, so this one and this one, and like this one also. Okay, okay, good one. So the next thing is like yeah, we have a segment here. Okay, so the next thing is like they have mentioned this arc radius as 37.8, and now we have a value of 37.8. So the next thing is, like, they have mentioned a point here, and from the point that we need to draw an arc by two radius, like radius 100 for this bend and like a radius 1000 for this. Okay, I think this dimension is somewhat wrong, because like they have mentioned the distance from the vertical plane, but they have not mentioned the height of this point. So this may be like a difficult part where we have a problems, right? So we can't able to find this because we can't able to place this point without any having like vertical dimensions here. So instead of that, I thought of having like this arc directly continues with a tangent which will be coincident with this 2.5 point. Like you can able to see here, like this will be a straight line and it will be directly coincident with this arc, like a tangent feature. So either, like, let me just create a line like this, and now I can able to make this as a tangent like this and like this. So now you can able to see like this point is not changed, but this radius value is got changed. So this will be 37.8, right? This will be changed because we have not placed this arc perfectly, right? So now we can able to see 17.9, 17.9, 9.9, and 37.8. So that's all. Like this will be a standard line. I think this will be 44. Okay. Mm, okay, everything is fine. Nothing has been changed except this. So now let's delete this, and let's delete this part also. So now we can able to see that we have completed our sketch. So now let's compare with our diagram whether this looks really good or not by having these curves. Okay, I think this is exactly looks similar, right? It's fine. Okay, let me just close this, and either we can give some appearances for this part, so then we can able to have a good view on this. So I just want to extrude this for giving some appearances. Make so we need to make this part as a 3D part, right? 4. Okay, and let's go for shading with edges. So the next thing here is our coloring. So we have to give some separate color for this, right? So this will be red and this will be blue. If you select this, like this particular surface will be selected because these two are created by using same feature, right? So we have to give red color for this and blue color for this. So this will be impossible, like if we have created these two on a very straight stuff surface. So I'm just going to extrude this face for the one more time, and I'm just directly going to project all these edges here. Okay, and I just want to extrude this both sides 4.04. Okay, or else like 4.01. Okay, that's fine. So now, like, it looks like okay, I think this is not extruded on this side. Okay, either I can go for this blind 0.02 options, side 2, and side 2 will be like I can able to drag it like this. Okay, okay, like this. Okay, this will be 4.02. Okay, let's check whether we can able to select. Now we can able to see, like we can able to select this surface and this surface individually, and now this surface and this surface individually. Like before, like you can able to see, like if we selected this surface, as you can see this both surface will got selected. So now we can able to give some separate appearances for this part. So um, before that, I'm just going to create a text on this bottom named Pepsi. Okay, so let's select I think our logo will look like this. Okay, so let's yep, let's click on this and let's directly go for the extrude and let's go for the sketch view. So here I'm just going to draw my text over here, and this will be Pepsi. Okay, and for this Pepsi I just want to find out the exact font for this. Okay, okay, let me just go for the scroll here. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, so let's go for the rotate and resize. Let's rotate a sketch here and let's make it somewhat bigger. Okay, and make it as a center and a little bit bigger. Okay, I think this is center, right? Let's click on OK here. Okay, and I just want to extrude this to the same value of 4 as a symmetric path. Okay, so now we have created our text also. So the next thing here is just the appearances and the coloring, right? So let's go for the appearances. I'm just going to give some red color for this. Okay, sorry, just have turned this up for this one and for this one, and for the text, this entire front face, this entire back face. Okay, okay, sorry, I forgot about the back face also. Okay, so the next thing is blue color. So for this blue, for this and for this and for this and for the front face and intern surface of all these text over here. Okay, okay, it looks good. So now when we go for the shading with reflections, this looks really good, right? Okay, I think we have created an exact part like this. Okay, let's go for the front view and let's have a comparative with the dimensions here. Okay, 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 this looks really exactly like the same, right? So let me close this. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you want more videos related to mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I will upload videos, more and more videos based on Creo and Power BI on a daily basis. And thank you guys, like we will see in the next video with a very interesting content. Until then, bye.